Good morning, everyone. It's Tom Sydney Bushnell, aka Numbers from Sight Club. So I have a different location. I'm visiting a friend. I'm here in Arizona, and you can see that it's raining, which is quite a rare occurrence here in Arizona. But Arizona is 84 and rain is 42, which is new. And yeah, those together takes you to 126, which comes to John Connor, Sarah Connor, and 107. And today is the 26th. 26 plus TH, which is 28, takes you to 54, which is love. So the 26th of September, that actually comes to 211, and then which comes to the emergency broadcast, interesting enough. And then if you add if you add Arizona rain, that then comes to 337. 337 comes to, if you spell out November 5th, 1955, which is the date that Emmett Brown from Back to the Future invented time travel. So yeah, there you go. The water pump is confirming that. God bless everyone. Take care. Bye.